And welcome to this special virtual show for Digital Press of JS Machine. I'm Lena. I'm today's show's host. And this show is about JS Machine Digital Printer Slim 2 A00. It's the same order in our last show. And now, let's go and have a look. This time we visit one of JS customer named Kailu from Jiaxing, China. And Kailu is the one of the top biggest cotton supplier in Shanghai. And they put one JS high-speed line for JS Machine into production in 2019. And this digital FFG line at the end of 2020. Kailu company usually produce almost 10,000 sheets from around 10 to 20 per day. And their orders include brown sheet, white sheet, and coated. Now we are going to the factories. They purchased Slim 2 A00 and start installing at beginning of this year. And until now, this machine has already operating more than 2 months. And we will demonstrate live for the whole position of the printing process, like 30 minutes on site. Come on, let's go into the workshop. And there will be 28 orders on the production line today. The biggest order will print more than 718 sheets, while the smallest one will print about 10 sheets. As now we are going to enter the workshop. We really welcome you to give your questions and active participation. So during this visit, please feel free to tap your questions for digital printer below this video. And we will discuss your questions later. And because we will give a live demonstration of the total printing process from the receiving picture to complete the printout. And the real printing performance. You can send us the pictures that you want to print out and wait to be chosen. As we go through these factories, I already see what's in front of us. That is a traditional flexo. Let's go and have a look. This traditional flexo is also from the JS Machine, and it has been placed here on the production line more than 1.5 years from 2019. And as we can see, this traditional flexo is already operating right now. And what's in front of this traditional flexo? There is our Slim 2 A00 right in front of us. And now, they are printing the orders from one of their customers. And for now, I will show you about these big machines printing units. Hello everyone, you can see here, this is the feeding unit. And the feeding unit, it can automatically adjust according to a different sheet certification when there comes a new order. And here is a built-in aluminum alloy fan, and there has a vacuum section and auxiliary roll inside. So they can ensure the work board and the board of different materials can be smooth fed. As we can see now, the employees put the board and sheets into the machine. And this part of the machine is just patting the boards to fit the size, so it can smooth be felt. Okay, we come to this part. And we can see inside of this one is our conveyor system. We can see the sheets are passing through here. So the sheets can go through from the feeding units to the stacker, just because of the conveyor system for the different parts. And here, in this big glass house, is our printing unit. Come on. Oh, the sheets are passing through. And now we are going to check out the look at our printing unit. This is the printing unit. And this is the core unit of a digital printer. We can see that it's put into a big glass house because we need to keep this whole unit at a constant temperature around 26 Celsius. And we can see that there have a big conditioner in the glass house. Inside the unit, there is a cartridge. And the cartridge has a pull-out design. It's convenient for the maintainers if we can simply just pull the printing heads out at any time. Of course, this any time needs to be restricted to the shutdown state. There are 400 printing heads. There are 4 cartridges for 4 colors. As we can see, their buttons have different colors on the cartridge. And there is no doubt that the printing head is the most important and expensive part for a digital printer. The inkjet printing head JS machine used can be disassembled and repaired, which could save the customer later costs and large extent. Compared with the Flexo, the biggest difference and advantage of our digital printer is that we don't need the printing plates, which means there's much quicker order change and much lower cost. Well, our Slim 2800, the order change time can be controlled within 3 minutes. Besides, through the printing process, waste ink can be recycled, and above all, the entire process is environmental friendly and pollution free. And here, as what we can see, is the dryer system. The dryer system is not running today because it's only needed for coated. And because we all know that the coated needs more ink and needs the more high temperature to dry the ink out. And let's go and look at the forming unit. Everyone, this is the forming unit, and it's downshelf slow slotting structure, making cotton height can be adjusted easily, and optical fiber deduct sheets lead edge improve and slotting accuracy. And according to the order specification, the slotting and increasing automatic adjust. Slim 2800 can do 2 board cotton with a large size of cover and tray cotton, forming through the knife heads of full-width screw moving structure. If necessary, the extra cutting blades can be added through the screw hole. Now the sheets are passing by. And at the end of this machine is our stacker. What's above on our heads, this is the product screen. And we can see a lot of numbers there. The 100 means the actual speed of the whole line. And the 27.13, it means the average speeding per sheet. 90 means the sheets that's complete for this current order. And the 95 stands for the total sheets amount for this order. And we also can see the current order number on the board. Also, we can see the percentage of the finish by this order. Of course, there's an order by star on the screen, and you may confuse what it is. Actually, this company is that 100% owned by JS Machine. This company is especially for the digital printing.